Top 15 Google Cloud Platform, GCP, based project ideas 1. Smart Traffic Management System. Utilize GCP's machine learning and real-time data processing capabilities to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve road safety in urban areas. 2. Healthcare Data Analytics Platform. Develop a secure and scalable platform on GCP for analyzing healthcare data, enabling insights into patient outcomes, treatment effectiveness, and disease trends. 3. Predictive Maintenance for Industrial Equipment. Implement a predictive maintenance solution on GCP to monitor equipment health, predict failures, and optimize maintenance schedules, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. 4. Energy Consumption Forecasting. Use GCP's data analytics and machine learning tools to forecast energy consumption patterns, helping utilities and businesses optimize energy usage and reduce costs. 5. Natural Disaster Prediction and Management. Build a system on GCP to analyze weather data, satellite imagery, and historical records for predicting natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires, facilitating early warning and response efforts. 6. Retail Analytics and Personalization. Develop a retail analytics platform on GCP to analyze customer behavior, optimize inventory management, and deliver personalized shopping experiences through recommendation engines and targeted marketing campaigns. 7. Financial Fraud Detection. Utilize GCP's data analytics and machine learning capabilities to detect fraudulent transactions, identify suspicious patterns, and prevent financial fraud in banking and e-commerce. 8. Smart Agriculture Solutions. Create IoT-based agricultural monitoring systems on GCP to collect and analyze data from sensors, drones, and satellites for optimizing crop yield, water usage, and pest control. 9. Remote Patient Monitoring. Implement a remote patient monitoring solution on GCP using IoT devices and wearable sensors to track vital signs, detect anomalies, and provide timely healthcare interventions. 10. Image and video analysis for surveillance. Build a surveillance system on GCP that uses computer vision and deep learning algorithms to analyze live video feeds, detect anomalies, and alert security personnel to potential threats. 11. Supply Chain Optimization. Develop a supply chain optimization solution on GCP to track inventory, streamline logistics, and improve demand forecasting, enhancing operational efficiency and reducing costs for businesses. 12. Environmental Monitoring and Conservation. Create a system on GCP for monitoring environmental parameters such as air quality, water pollution, and biodiversity, enabling conservation efforts and environmental management. 13. Online Learning Platform. Build an online learning platform on GCP that leverages cloud computing resources for content delivery, interactive assessments, and personalized learning experiences, catering to the needs of students and educators worldwide. 14. Telemedicine Platform. Develop a telemedicine platform on GCP for remote medical consultations, diagnostic imaging, and electronic health records management, improving access to healthcare services and patient outcomes. 15. Smart City Solutions. Implement various smart city solutions on GCP, including smart lighting, waste management, public transportation optimization, and citizen engagement platforms to enhance urban living standards and sustainability.